We are here with the crew, and we have the first lady, Sissy Po. Then we have Mke.
Sure.
Then we have Nax Hipstar and Limo. Where are we going, Kelly?
See, a pet center. We're going to pet center
We can
to
go
the
boy.
Tuxin exhibition. Yeah.
Sissy Pet Center, man.
Yeah, it's pet center.
Indawo yakhona bayibizanya.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
We can go boy. Udlalile Tuxin. Abantu babavala aba laptop already ne.
Let's see if people know Dlala Tuxin's album. Kelly, name one song.
Unganame ile bese nechaza please.
Yeah, please.
Don't ask me, bro.
I know the songs. I know.
I guess VR.
I know because
Izinto boy. Ithini konje? Is no. Isafika man ngikazithola lyrics kahle but izinto yo it was
mina ngathi ngoma noSim le acula noSim mnandi bese kube nale Gold
I
Max.
just don't know the name.
Yeah ngizobheka igama lakho.
Shout out to listen to that album. Let's see how she's like.
Yeah ngathi yashiza mara kuba ngathi
Ikhona ngoma ezokhalisa unyaka.
Pa?
Which one you think ezokhalisa unyaka?
akusingoma ezinganqama unyaka. Ingoma ezislow angicabanga ukuthi abantu bathanda ngale.
We should give it time bro like
Maybe khona le ngoma le one day abantu vele bazoyithanda. Khona le etrendayo daily kanje.
I will say trend
The
already.
Weekalies.
Bathi ku TikTok yatrend.
Already. Ingoma ekhishwe like midnight.
No, Kaloko, he posted it on TikTok a long time.
So obviously yatrend ku TikTok.
So which means it's out now.
Yeah. Asong zonke sesiphumile manje.
I'll do it for this one. Watch my words.
Ngenatsho ba noba
And here's Mkwe.
What's up, man?
Mkwe is setting up, working hard. Aye, Libo.
Yeah, what's up Mother Flecker? Already back to Nana, and yeah, this is a special edition of Utopia Unplugged podcast. Of course, Nandazi, I'm your host with the host, Umlibo, and we are here. The weekend in Kulu, Iqalile Mamela, Dlala Tuxin, Udlalile umfana. So Delhi.
What's up, Satana? It is a newly found favor, Hope Babe, reporting to you like it's duty because why not? Today, see, we were at the villa, we're at the exhibition, there's businesses here. We're talking food, we're talking perfumes, everything and more. Enjoy, man, enjoy.
Good afternoon, it's your boy Nax Juice. Like on the right here on your television screen, and welcome back to Utopia Unplugged podcast. So, guys, Nani Niazi, guys, we are here at the villa, guys. Truly, like, my business here, and we are about to enjoy ourselves, guys. This is Utopia Unplugged.
Yeah. And also the album of Tuxin,
And the album, guys, please go check out the album,
Finally
guys. My favorite song is TBR. Yes, sir.
Putting yourself on the spotlight.
I don't know it.
What else is it? What's your favorite song?
Izinto.
Oh.
Izinto.
No, guys, Izinto.
Ah.
I don't know, there's something about Langoma, Izinto.
Amazing.
It's, I don't know if Likomo or Liano, even spiritually, food. Yes, come on. Mamela. So, guys, Lana, we're just gonna go around. We're going to
Stay tuned, guys.
the weekend in Guru, Kalila,
It's
please.
begun. Who are you? What are you doing? Come on.
Yeah, what
Get
the
on
fuck
the
are you?
beat.
If
Come
I'm
on.
gonna,
How?
yeah, Sunday.
Sunbunan,
Yeah.
Sunbunan, guys, Sunbunan. We have one of the best businesses now. As from the eye is looking at this, it looks amazing. Guys, we have the business owners, Nauma Chica. I think what's the name of the business, guys? What are your names? What's going on over here? What's going on?
The name of the business is
Yeah.
H Fast Food.
LH. Okay. Why LH? Why the name LH?
From initials.
Oh, combination.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, what are you guys selling? Because hey, when I'm what is this now? What are you guys selling? Just explain, what can you expect when you come to you guys LAH? Yeah?
Okay, LAH is usually based on e-quarter. Quarter is our first meal. Our prices start from 40 rands, and then our quarters they have eggs, fries, bacon.
Yeah.
They are different. It's very heavy.
Guys, here's the menu.
The stuff you call. Yep.
Yeah. What else do you guys sell? Wings.
Yes, we are having our platters. It has wings, ribs, and amavos, and burgers. And we also have a beef steak. And we are also having this combo, which is the Vos roll.
How much is this?
Vos roll
Can
wings.
you have a taste?
It's only 45 rand.
45 rand?
Yes.
Okay. So where can people find you guys?
We are based at Howard Gate 7.
At Howard Gate 7. Okay, any social media that you guys have?
On Facebook there's LAH Fast Food, and also on TikTok is LAH Fast Food.
Okay, guys, please catch them at social media. Guys, this looks amazing. Not Mr. Dallas to tenga gonna buy that one 45 rand.
Yes.
I see on guys. Thank you very much. Please make sure that you go and support LAH, guys. Peace.
What's the cool, we are back again. Nana Sips welcome our friends as you can see. Drip wire, that's what I'm here with today. So guys, can you please take me through what's going on? Like it's a clothing brand, right? Yeah, can you please tell me more about it?
It's a streetwear brand. We have caps. Too much.
How much is the whole thing here?
So the hoodies are 450 each.
Yeah.
Caps are 180 each. And we have summer drop that we have end of October. We're doing t-shirts. Everything's summer drop.
So where is it based? Is it from Durban? Where?
Yeah, we're from Durban.
Yeah, which location?
No.
It's not from
I'm not from here. I'm just here for so yeah, I'm taking
So where can we find your social media platforms? In case people want to buy, of course, at home.
Instagram,
Yeah, okay, amazing, man. I really love it, man. Keep on pushing, guys, and make God bless the business, man. God bless, guys. And I fuck with this shit. Take care, James.
Silapha futhi ezamike lesi. Ngiyabona sekishini we're here with the sister. How are you? Okay, so ngicela ukutshela ukuthi what is the name of your business Lenzani? What is it about?
The name of the business, Timeless Engravings. It's located in Durban, Umgeni, whereby that's where my office is. What I do is design, engrave things for people. Yes, and I've worked with such businesses. You need a present, you contact me. For someone, you're going to a wedding, you need a tray for your husband, I'm here.
So we're not limited to only these. You do
There's
several
more.
kinds of engravings, whatever it is.
Key holders.
Bag.
I even teach people now how to master design and use laser cutting machines.
Yes, right. Everyone must have a business, guys. So where can we find this?
I have a Facebook page, Instagram, Timeless Engravings. WhatsApp, I'm also available on 0638197122. Everyone is welcome in the office in 51 Station Drive.
Thank you very much. this
Thank you so
village.
much.
Timeless engravings.
Sorry.
Alright guys, udlala Thukzin ukhona la ebuilding. So I have only two questions. Eyokuqala, it's about the album yakho eqophe namhlanje, and the second one is about the festival, because I feel like as a fan kadlala Thukzin, I feel like this is dope. It's equivalent to ama event like Durban July, because it's wonke umuntu uzakayi. So I don't know if ungasixelela njani.
Yeah, so basically you're just some creator the culture yethu like Durban. So the more look cool, that's community. Ngaleyo weekend was about every month end of September. Wonke umuntu uza la eThekwini, konke izoshaya event yayo. Piano casting event yayo, whatever events abantu abanawo bazowenza ngaleyo weekend. So the most longest cooler, as long as introduce lezo zinto.
Alright, so the second question is yini into umsebenzi kuyo but bathanda abantu abayazi ngabo. Umsebenzi kuyo blind besides the music. But no, because there was a tournament,
It's just as I give my video like
uyabona uyadefenda uyabamba.
I can win.
Then congrats.
Sharp, thank you.
Ngifuna umbukela kwebhola mbona Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Uzobedlala ibhola Sunday.
Ine team yami nje.
So let's call. Thank you.
Now that there is talent in the house, is what everybody is talking about now being Thukzin, who is a very young talent but was understood what sets him apart is him being able to play different.
Regardless of what your father did wrong, what your mother did wrong, what your brother did wrong, what your sister did, anyone and everyone, that doesn't matter. What matters is what you make of your life. Njengangimchazeli ekhaya ngikhulele kuyona, mhlawumbe omunye wayengakhetha ukwenza into ngempilo yakhe. Ngakhuzwa ngaba nengane, kuningi owangenzeka ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah, guys, sibuyile futhi as Utopia Unplugged podcast. Ayikakapheli guys, siyakhipha siyabila, and we are bringing you more vibe, more energy, more fire. Uyangithola? So I don't know, I heard ukuthi khona ama spinach, amakota, idrip, ama perfume. Lalela, if yasala ngomso kwi event ka Thukzin andazi ba usalelana. How are you selling?
Mlibo and Mpe. How are you, Mlibo?
Style, boy.
Yeah. How are you? How are you today?
Yeah, I'm cool, man. Yes.
What day is it today for the Dlala Thukzin?
Second day of the festival, Dlala Thukzin.
Weekend in Kuru.
Yeah, yeah,
man.
Utopia, Baba. What are we today?
A lot of performances.
Yeah.
From a lot of artists.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So
Yeah,
if you are not here, I don't know where you are. Because right now it's all Dlala blind. Dlala Thukzin weekend, nigga.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can hear the sound, guys. You can hear the music.
Why you late?
I'm not late.
You are late.
There's
Why you late?
unforeseen circumstances.
Okay.
So sorry.
You're gonna explain later.
Hey,
Guys, if you're not here, I don't know where you would be. This is the place to be today.
Exactly.
Be here, beautiful man.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Exactly. We outside.
We're still gonna interview you the whole day today. So music challenge. So booze on my Twitter followers, YouTube. What else? None. That's all the booze. Now we have.
I love my umps, man. I love my followers. Love y'all.
Yes,
That's what's up.
Yes, all okay.
Look who here. Who's here? Look who's
What's
here.
up, Dada? It is a uniform babe, a whole babe reporting to you like it's duty because why not? But yeah, the day is finally here.
Okay, it's going to be good, guys. Daddy came late. Tell you why.
Guys, I thought we were all in good spirits. We're all happy.
Can you please hold the mic?
Okay. Ish.
Yeah, it's technology, guys.
Guys, I thought we're all happy. We've forgotten about whatever it is.
Let's focus on the present.
With me being late, guys.
No, we're not chica you in front of the camera so that people see that we were professional.
Meeting, but I told you guys, I went to work. I had a work meeting. I couldn't.
You missed out on the Babes Otu. We had an interview with Babes Otu.
You lied.
Sasha Mavosh, Babes Otu.
You lied.
But guys,
even she would wait for me. There's no way.
Yay! But guys, we are here with Lara Tudzini. Now we want to ask you, who are you waiting for today?
Okay, I'll tell you the story you saw yesterday.
Yeah.
I think we do one for the ladies, Sutra.
Yeah, so I'm gonna
I'm gonna do that one for the ladies.
What's your favorite song? Today,
I'm gonna see the song. Don't worry.
Why? Name the song.
No. When I hear the song, I'm gonna tell you this is the song.
Okay.
What are you gonna do when it's time for you to hear the song? Which one is that?
Song Lesha no Sol Pendu.
Oh, dip. No.
Sakril. Penduka, Mekchi, Kanti.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that's
guys,
also
when you say to Lesha is because I today.
Day number 2 of the festival. So I'm here with.
Hi guys, I go by the name of Swazulu, but I'm Nobile.
Make sure to follow her, guys. Please.
Who's her?
When I'm going to show me.
I go by the name of Uba, but it's September.
So guys, please tell me so far how's the event?
Wow, so far I think it hasn't started. Hey, it hasn't started yet, but it's gonna go. We're still waiting for something. Man of the match. Man of the hour. Yeah, boy. Hallelujah. So we're still having fun. Caligula is dazzling hot. And the castle tree. Kumnandi, we're still waiting for more fun, guys.
That's what's up.
Ask you a question if you are a die-hard fan. That's usually there. So, Son of Propi Alpha, what's your favorite song?
Something. It's a clap, guys. Even if it's a song or not a song, but hey, something I'm here for the clap. I'm here for the clap. Nothing else.
What's your favorite song? When you album
Well, I haven't listened to it. I know it's out. I checked it out, but I haven't listened to the album. But you're here for the clap. I'm here for the clap. I know it's gonna be
Alright, guys.
That's the only thing.
So we are off here now. Please make sure to subscribe, to like, and comment. Shut up.
Hello, Njana.
Hi, it's Gabi.
Come on, I'm going this mobile, so we're from the top podcast and blog. So, can you please tell us what you do here?
Okay, so as Forever Living Fiber distributors, the Forever Living products are going to thrive and they cater for so many needs, such as joints, skin, kuningi nje kunye futhi okumnandi ngeForever ukuthi ukwazi usign up ujoin the company at a requesting fee.
Okay. Yeah. Can you please tell us more about these products? What's the local this and that?
Yeah, you see. Kuningi, yeah.
Lovely, I love this. So like, where people can find you if they're looking for these products, because I can see.
Okay, so you can on TikTok, Forever Living by Sanish, like Instagram, Footy, and also on the business card. You can scan the QR code and it should take you straight to your website.
Do you mind if I take one?
It's okay.
Thank you so much. As you can see, my friends will say it's a lot going on. As you can see, we're talking about business, and I really love this. Make that your business.
Yeah. So what we do is we grow day-old chicks up until they become 6-week-old chickens, and we make portions. We sell them live. We sell them explosive. We couldn't bring you a live one today, unfortunately. Although we wanted to, we also are in the process of moving into making foods as well. So we're trying to test it here. So yeah. We also sell produce. We sell organic leafy greens, meaning all of the food that we produce is not genetically modified. Like I says, chemical, right? They are also free range. So it's free range and organic foods. What we also offer to people that want to learn about the industry is teaching about the business, teaching you how to grow a chicken from the time it's day old up until 6 weeks old, teaching you how to grow organic greens, either for your own convenience since the cost of living has become very high and you have to know how to grow food, or for like the community to sun as well. So that's what we do.
So since we are I think like you explained pretty much about everything about food. So I want to ask you where do you know when I stand out for you your album?
The new album.
Oh, I know you listen out. So no man, like online.
Online, everywhere as either Ndobe Woma if you're looking for me directly, but if you're looking for the company, it's Madame Platform.
So now say to please guys, please make sure